Hello my dreamers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be this look that I have on my face right now. I have been experiencing with this look for a couple days now and I wanted to film it for you guys. This is the look I've been doing for like TikToks. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how I created this look. If you want to know how I got this look, then you know the drill. Keep on watching. Okay, so for today's look, I will be going in with the Juvia's Place Nubian 3 Coral palette. For the first shade, I want to go in with this crease shade and go in with this nice pinky peachy shade. The next shade I want to go in with is this light brown shade up here. Just going to put that on the outer corners of my eyes. I'll be going in with this corally pearly shade. I'm going in with the base, and I actually learned this new trick from TikTok. If you guys are on TikTok, please follow me at With Love Nancy. I tried it yesterday and I actually really liked it. I'm going to start off with a moisturizer, and this is the Then I Met You Calming Tide Gel Cream. I'd already applied on some earlier, like when I got up, but I'm just going to apply a little bit more right now. So we have a nice moisturized base. And after this, I'm going in with a setting powder, and I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless powder to tap a little bit of that on my face. I'm going to put on a setting spray, the ColourPop Pretty Fresh setting spray. I'm gonna let this dry first. And then I'm going in with my Luminous Putty Primer from e.l.f. I'm going in with my foundation, and I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and this is the Dewy, of course. I'm just going to apply that onto my skin. And it just looks so smooth. I am once again shook. I'm going to carry on with my routine, and I'm going to apply some concealer. I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Collection collaboration with Whaley. So I'm going in with the Sunset Bronzer, which is the bronzer on the bottom. For blush, I am going in with the M Cosmetics Heaven's Glow Faded Clementine blush. Just going to give me that nice peachy glow on the cheekbones. For highlight, I'm going back in with the Physicians Formula and Whaley palette, and I'm using this shade up here called Whimsical. I feel like it really enhances the blush shade, so it's nice. Alright, so we're going back to finish the eyes. For today's lashes, I'm going in with these lashes. These are the Make a Peak Graceful full lashes, and I'm going to put these on and I'll be right back. I'm going to use this Becca lip liner in the shade Fearless. I just fill my lip in with this lip liner, and then I'm going in with the lipstick from Becca, and this is in the shade Yours Truly. So it's like a nice peachy shade. Alright, and this concludes the look. I've just been really liking orange tone look. I don't know if it's because it's been really nice here. It's been sunny. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like that makeup hack that I did. Like honestly, it's gonna be like the new way I do my base makeup. Definitely try it out if you guys haven't. But yeah, like I say, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of my family here on YouTube. And without further ado, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!